So here we have the MacBook Neo in the citrus color. Let's go ahead and open this. I'm curious about this color the most because of course the pink was basically a pink and the blue is basically a blue, but this is looking interesting. I don't know. Let's see how this looks. And then I'll compare it to the ones that I've already opened here. Again, the blush and the indigo that we see over there in the back. Let's see this and let's go ahead and, I'm supposed to open this first. I'm too excited for this. Let me just show you real quick what's in here. Get a little pamphlet or a piece of paper here with the MacBook color, just showing you what's what so that you understand what you're getting. And here, USB-C to USB-C and also a little power block right there. Very small, easy to carry around, easy to use also for your phone. Not color matched, but at least it is included. Let's go ahead and now just open this because I'm excited to see what this looks like. Let's see here. Whoops, I don't want to break it. Oh wow, actually it's pretty bright. That's like yeah, citrus is a good name for this. It's like a lime color laptop. I'm thinking kind of Nike vibes a little bit. It is very fun and very nice. It's kind of rough on the camera. It's reflecting and changing so much on the color here that it's kind of hard to catch it. Maybe like right there is the closest thing to what I see in person. I don't know. It's not quite green. It's not quite yellow. It's a mix right in between both. Like it's lemon and lime together. Yeah. That's interesting. Let's go ahead and open this up here. It's gonna boot up instantly here. When you open it, look at that. This is definitely the most reflective of the ones that I've opened so far, but it is a really fun color. It's kind of hard to capture it on camera too, though. I'm not sure. It's changing so much. Very, very fun. And you can see the wallpaper also kind of has lemon lime on it. So it is supposed to be kind of a mix of both colors. This is definitely the quirkiest color of the bunch by far and the most reflective. So if you don't want something that's going to distract you maybe while you're using the laptop, I think the indigo blue color might be the best one. So it's the most subdued, calm color. And when you're in the night, like in your bed or something, that one's going to be the one that reflects the least light back at you, if that makes sense. It's not a big thing, but I'm just kind of mentioning it in case you care about that. And setup is easy. It takes just a couple of minutes. Very, very simple. Just connect to Wi-Fi here. Now, just to go over some of the specs here, this retails for $599. You'll save $100 if you're a student, teacher, or anything, and you get the education discount, which puts this at $499, which is absolutely just bonkers for this. What a fantastic price. You get 256 gigabytes of storage in this, which is pretty good, but I would definitely get the $100 upgrade and get 512 gigs and Touch ID just to future-proof it a little bit, just so you can download some more movies for the plane, download some games, keep some photos on here without having to offload too many to iCloud, just things like that. Let me go ahead and create the Mac account here so we can get in. And it's crazy because I really want one of these, even though I do have kind of one of the most powerful MacBook Pros in the market. This is just such a better little device to do scripts and do things like that, because I hate bringing my MacBook Pro around for when I don't have to edit and do heavy tasks like that. It's just such a heavy laptop. It's kind of a nuisance a little bit. And we can just go ahead and skip signing into an Apple account, which is kind of nice that you can do that. And you are going to get a 1080p webcam on here. This is a 13-inch display. The laptop weighs roughly 2.7 pounds, which is about the same as the MacBook Air, even though this is a smaller laptop than the MacBook Air. And I also think it's a more comfortable laptop to have than the MacBook Air because of the way it's just kind of designed and the feeling of it, the kind of just vibe of it. Just feels really nice to kind of have. You're also going to get Hey Siri here, which is really nice. So they didn't skimp out really on anything. You're not getting a backlit keyboard on here, but you are still getting a fantastic trackpad that you can click absolutely everywhere, which is so nice. It's not force touch like the other MacBooks, but it is just easily clickable anywhere. So I could care less that it's not force touch. It just works really well. It feels really good. I like it. It's simple and straight to the point. This keyboard almost looks white, but it definitely is still a little bit greened out, matching the tone and the vibes of the green laptop. I definitely really like this color. It's the quirkiest one of them all. It's kind of the more fun one, the more outgoing one. Let me know what y'all think about what color is the best. I think the blue is my favorite, but if I was to buy one, maybe I would buy this because it is just so fun. It just screams MacBook Neo, right? It just doesn't look like any other MacBook out there, which is really cool. And here it is opening all the apps, and there's a bunch of features with this laptop, just like all the other laptops in Apple's lines, but you can use your iPhone right on the screen here. You can download pro programs like Final Cut Pro and all that, and that's all going to work, which is so nice. I might actually just buy one of these to have as a secondary laptop for actual travel and stuff, because I currently have an older iPad and I haven't been wanting to upgrade my iPad, and I think I would rather have this. It just has the keyboard built in and everything. I don't really use the iPad touchscreen too much, and I just freaking really love this little laptop. I'm just vibing with it. Look at that. That is a fun color too. Yeah, I wonder if they'll make some cases for this or something on Amazon, which will kind of be really cool here. But it's such a thin laptop, so nice. And since it is pretty affordable, you know, I think it makes it easier to kind of just use it, throw it around, kind of beat it up a little bit and not care as much as the expensive laptops in Apple's line, if that makes sense. Everything's gonna run at it basically that you throw at it. Of course, you don't wanna be doing high level 3D work on here, or 8K timelines, or, you know, 4 levels deep, 5 levels deep of 4K timelines. But for all the beginner stuff, all the day-to-day stuff, this is actually what a fantastic piece of machine. And that's all opened up. Let me go ahead and grab the pink color here so you can see it next to this, and also the blue one right here, just so you can kind of vibe with this. First, let me just close all these apps so you can see that. And there we go, force quit. And look at how quick everything just kind of closes up. It's kind of insane. Look at that, all closed up. And again, that wallpaper, so nice that all the laptops came with a wallpaper. I think Apple is back to having fun here and just enjoying life a little bit more, which is nice to see. Let's triple stack these and be very, very careful so you can kind of see here. Okay, that weighs quite a bit. That is like 9 pounds right here. So there you go. Look at that. You can see that the blush right there doesn't quite look too pink like the other colors look. You know, this looks green and this looks blue. But it'll be interesting once we see the silver one compared to the blush pink. You'll really see the difference here. But it is nice that it is subtle. And then let me just go ahead kind of here, and there you can kind of see them from a distance there, how they reflect the lighting a little bit, how they change. I think the one that's going to reflect and change the most is going to be this really cool indigo color. It is really, really nice. And it's probably my favorite color, but I don't know if it's fun enough to get if I was getting instead of the citrus. Just looks nice, but maybe it's a little too serious. I'm really vibing with having just a really fun green laptop, because why not, right? Look at that. Let me know, what color is your favorite out of these 3 right here? And comment down below. Make sure to subscribe, check out the channel. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Goodbye.